I hope you all are doing great and amazing. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Khushi Gera and I make content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if this interests you up, please keep on watching. Today we're gonna be doing this beautiful glowy dewy pink soft glam. If you want to see that, please keep on watching. So before further ado, let's just jump into the video. Also, I've asked my Instagram followers to ask me a question on Instagram and I'll answer it here on YouTube. So we're gonna be doing that too. So you guys don't know me yet, but I am not a huge skincare fan. मतलब मेरा जब मन हो तो मैं तब करती हूँ. Just a little amount of moisturizer is my skincare. But before makeup, I prep my skin so well. So the पहली चीज we're gonna be applying this Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. It's pretty amazing and it smells so good. So let's shake it, baby, shake it. Let it dry.
So the first question is your age. So I am 19 years old.
So we're gonna be using this Rosehip Radiant Face Serum, Glow Serum. It instantly gives a little glow to the skin. I do not like oils or serums, but I like this one because it doesn't feel like oil. You know, it's not sticky. It's nice. Just rub it and give a little warm to it and then apply here. Do you see that nice shine to the skin, like a little glow?
Here comes the next question. Your favorite Instagram and YouTube creators? Pritha Khurana, Soumya Gupta, Ishani Mitra. I've been watching Juhi Godambe. She's amazing.
After we have applied this serum, we're gonna be applying this Vaseline Coco Glow Moisturizer. I know for some people it feels a little heavy on the skin, but you know, it works for me. Don't forget your neck. It's a part of your body too. After applying this moisturizer, we're gonna be going straight to the primer. Actually, it's a highlighting primer and it's from Swiss Beauty and I'm in the shade Goldenite. It's amazing. So I'm gonna be using 2 pumps of it. It'll be enough for me. It will give a nice sheen to the skin, nice shine to the skin. You'll see. ज़्यादा ले लिया मैंने. बट कोई नहीं, मतलब अभी आपको ये बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली दिखेगी, बट इट इज शीन.
So here comes the next question, which is what are you watching on Netflix currently? So I've just finished watching Ginny and Georgia and I am watching The Bold Type.
So we're gonna be applying next foundation, which is also from Swiss Beauty and I'm in the shade 02 Moist Skin. It says it's high coverage, but coverage तो भाई नाम की भी नहीं है इसमें. तो it is, you know, very lightweight and it is perfect for everyday. You can obviously build up the coverage, but you can obviously build up the coverage. It's totally upon you. Packaging is very luxurious, but all products of Swiss Beauty are not nice, which it claims to be. If we see an example of this, ये वाला कौन सा था ये? High coverage वाला. It does not give you coverage. So let's just start blending it and I'll meet you after blending it. So I've applied the foundation and it feels like मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लगाया, तो मैं थोड़ा सा और लूँगी पता नहीं क्यों आज मैंने यहाँ लिया भाई, ये तो गिर रहा है यार। इट्स वेरी लिक्विड यार। सूट पे गिर जाता ना, मम्मी मारती मुझे। I'm sorry I'm being very unprofessional, but you know what, I'm like that only. मैं अपने आप को change नहीं कर सकती. I want you to feel like you're talking to me. आवाज आई? And now it is perfect.
Question is, इस बार हम 2 क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हैं, 2-3 करते हैं। तो next question is extrovert or introvert? Bro, I am an extrovert.
Next question is favorite food. I have answered this so many times on my Instagram. It's chole bhature. Bro, I'm a Punjabi. Who does not like chole bhature? My favorite. It's मेरी जान है chole bhature. Please someone give me, अब तो सारी shops भी बंद है. Next is, are you Punjabi?
You look like Pahari to me. Yes, bro, I am Punjabi. पता नहीं क्यों मुझे सब लोग पहाड़ी बोलते हैं, but मैं पंजाबी हूँ.
Now it's time for concealers and I have 2 concealers. कुत्ते भौंक रहे हैं यार. Can't help. I have 2 concealers here, which are both from Swiss Beauty, and I'm in the shade 06, which is a little bit darker from my shade, and 03, which is lighter. So we're gonna be using the darker one पहले, and उसके बाद lighter वाला. वैसे तो ये शेड गलती से आ गई, मैंने दूसरी वाली मंगाई थी. Just dab it so that आपकी स्किन के अंदर चला जाए और अच्छे से कंसील करते हैं. So अब मैं यूज कर रही हूँ 03, which is sand sable. Do you know what? मेरे को मतलब बचपन से सजने संवरने का बहुत शौक था. मैं अपनी मम्मी की साड़ी ले लेके ड्रेसअप होती थी. मैं अपनी बहन के साथ खेलती थी. और बचपन में सभी खेलते होंगे घर घर. Now it's time for powder, but before that we'll answer the question.
One adjective for yourself. I would say vivacious. भाई तुम लोग मेरा इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो क्या? ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो. Ask something nice. Vivacious. You're doing great and you'll succeed eventually. Thank you so much. I won't take the name because I promise कि anonymous होएगा. Black or pink? Black or pink? I would say black because it suits me more, and pink it suits me more too. So sorry, I cannot choose. But maybe I'll take black.
So now it's time for face powder, and we're gonna be using this Lakme ka rose powder with sunscreen. It's a very drugstore product. And I am in the shade maybe warm pink. नहीं, I'm in the shade soft pink for light skin 01. तुम लोग बोलोगे मैं कैसी, मुझे मेरा शेड ही नहीं पता.
And do like this. और हम सिर्फ अपनी अंडर आइज के नीचे करेंगे बिकॉज हमको हमारा जो स्किन है वो डूई ग्लॉसी चाहिए. अप्लाई पाउडर ऑन द एरियाज जहाँ पे आपने कितना कंसीलर लगाया था. मेक श्योर आप बहुत ज़्यादा अप्लाई ना करें कंसीलर, बिकॉज जितना ज़्यादा अप्लाई करोगे उतना ज़्यादा क्रीज होते जाएगा.
मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है मेकअप की, बट मैं फिर भी आपको बता रही हूँ जितनी मेरे को पता है. Done with the powder. I don't have cream brushes right now, तो मैं अपनी लिपस्टिक्स को ही cream brush यूज करूँगी. I'm gonna be doing that. तो मेरी ये तो I will be using this L18 की lipstick as my cream blush in the shade R31, which is Rose Day. So for the highlighter, I'll be using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, which is in the shade Molten Gold, and it is amazing. Amazing, कहते हैं ना amazing. Little amount of and sometimes मेरे को बहुत मैं मूड में आ जाती हूँ. I think I am talking too much and I need to get up.
We come to the iPad.
What's your type in a guy? I think loyalty is must. He smart होना चाहिए भाई. And I should be the only woman जिससे वो attracted हो. I am not, but I am. How do you cope up with the criticism? And I love your content, babe. Keep going. Thanks.
How do you cope up with criticism? वो तो सुना होगा ना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. So I just follow this mantra and तुमको भी नहीं सुननी चाहिए. If someone is giving hate to you, it means that you are doing something good. कि वो तुमको hate दे रहे हैं. ये मुझे मेरी मम्मी बहुत समझाती रहती है, but मैं नहीं समझती हूँ. मेरा मेरी अक्ल आ रही है.
So here we end the question. We're gonna be using this Huda Beauty Topaz edition. So for the eyes, we're gonna be using this pink shade as our base. Apply it here. Since we've applied this pink color on both of the eyes, now it's time for some glitter. So for the glitter thing, we're gonna be using this Perfect 9 color Nika ke New York glitter palette. You can use any pink shade जो आपके पास अवेलेबल हो. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू यूज, नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपके पास यही पैलेट हो या यही कलर हो. टेक अ फिंगर, जस्ट अप्लाई इट because you know what, I am liking my makeup. Then we're gonna use this Insight liner, which is nice. I kind of like it. I use it because I only have it. तो मैं अब eyeliner लगा के तो मैं आ गई वापस अपना eyeliner लगा के. So we'll be using this curler, which is some random Amazon curler. And we're done with the mascara. Now we are left with we're gonna use the same lipstick that we used as blush. We're done with the lipstick. Like this look, please like this video, comment and share it to everyone. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel below and hit that bell icon so that you do not miss any update of my channel. And I am inserting a link of my Instagram account Hello below in the description box. If you want to stay updated about everything, just follow me there. And that's that. We're gonna be coming with a new video soon with a new twist. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.